Hello there! Welcome to my another paint with me. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you how I painted this. For the watercolor, I always use my koi watercolor since that's the only one I have and it works for me. This is actually one of the first ever watercolor that I use. And to start, I'm going to mix the color for the skin tones. I already did the sketch this time. I like to use really soft color to start with and slowly building it layer by layer. I've been enjoying making these kind of videos and pretty excited to plan future ones. This channel probably going to be an art channel with occasional arts and craft, so I hope you like it. I work as a full-time chef on the side, so I probably couldn't give you a video every week. But whenever I have an extra time, I'll try to post extra too. These kind of paintings is my favorite because I feel like it's a painting that I felt most comfortable and relaxing to do. And kinda like it's going towards the art style that I'm currently searching for. And as you can see here, I'm just color blocking the hair light gray. Since I'm still deciding whether I put all black or blue color or a little bit of both, putting a light gray color on top of it really helps me imagine it better. In the end, I've decided to use dark blue and black, and I like it, since it reminds me of the night sky. This painting is really fun to create and took me around 4 to 5 hours. And to be honest, at this point, I'm not sure if I wanted to add more leaves and stuff, like how I planned, because I kind of like how minimal it looks. And part of me was a bit scared that I'll ruin it. But I go ahead with it anyway, and I'm glad I did. Now I'm just mixing up a deep green color for the leaves inside the hair. And it's done! Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have a great day.